Welcome to the Windows Club. If you wish to fix Microsoft Store error 0x87AF0813 on your Windows computer, then either read through this article on the Windows Club or simply watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. First of all, check the internet connection by opening any website on Google and then try running the Windows App Store's troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button and select Settings. In the Settings window, go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Now, scroll down to the absolute bottom of the list and click on Run corresponding to the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter. The next solution is to reset and repair the Microsoft Store. So, go to Apps, the Apps tab on the list on the left hand side in the Settings window. In the right pane, click on Apps and Features. Under Apps and Features, scroll down to the Microsoft Store. Then, click on these three dots associated with it and select Advanced Options. Under Advanced Options, scroll down to Reset. You'll get an option to repair it and then finally to reset it. Isn't this easy and interesting? If you have any doubts, please go to the original article on the Windows Club, scroll down to the comment section and write your query. We will surely answer to it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.